long time no see. Don't worry, I'm not dead. Not yet.
And I drive myself crazy, thinking everything's about me. Yeah, I drive myself crazy, cause I can't escape the gravity. I'm holding on.
Okay. Hey guys, it's Lollipop's Real here. Welcome back to another video. Today I'll be doing my updated slime collection. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so first we have this beautiful sparkly golden. So okay, no, enough of that. We have this beautiful glittery golden glittery slime. I made this with clear glue and golden sparkles that I got from Liz Biscuit. So subscribe to her. Next, I have this also another beautiful disco ball-ish slime that is made with little like the sparkle that I use here is littler than the golden one because those are like chunky ones, and the same with this one too. This one is chunky, so like it's like the golden one. Again, I got this from Liz Biscuit, so subscribe to her. I'll put the link to her channel down below. So yeah, anyways, back it up. So next we have this jiggly yellow slime. Oh my gosh, what is this like? What even is this like? Is this even slime? Hello, welcome to the What Is This show. Is this slime or is this something else? Let's find out. It's slime, okay? It's just really jiggly. From this footage right here, as you can see, it looks like it's like a liquid or hair gel or something, but no, it is jiggly slime. I just added a lot of water to it, and it's jiggly. So the next slime, I used Twisted Peppermint Pocket Back. If you didn't see my Bath & Body Works haul from 3 months ago, go check it out. But anyways, it's supposed to be a candy cane theme. Okay, we're on to the next one. Okay, this is a very light pink. On camera, it looks like it is white, but it's actually pink. Just trust me. Just trust me. Trust me. The next slime is this pearly, beautiful slime. This is actually one of my favorite slimes. Because it's really pearly and I just love the texture of it. It's so soft and like slimy and like it's really fun to touch and stuff. So there is that. Just continue poking on that. But the next one is this. I use glitter glue, but I didn't take it out of the container because it's too like weird. It's like really weird. But anyways, so the next slime is blue glitter glue, as you saw previously, mixed with regular white Elmer's glue, and I just mixed it up. So I don't know if you could see the colors in this one, but it is not just regular blue, okay? It is mixed with glitter glue, so there's like little chunks of glitter in it. But let's on to the next one. On to the next one. Come on to the next one. Stop it. They're gonna hate me for like poking this one too much. Come on. Thank you. Are you kidding me? Are you? Wait a second. There is no next one. That's what you get. Don't mess with me. Okay, come on, where is the light? Who turned off the lights, eh? Well, you have reached the end of this video. If you enjoyed, give it a big thumbs up. And guys, reached 500 plus subscribers. To be exact, I reached like 522 or 21 or something like that, but I can't believe it. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm actually crying. Let me show you. Oh my gosh. I'm crying. Oh my gosh, my hand. Okay. No, it's fake. But no, it's real. It's real. Bye, guys. Wait, no. Switcheroonies to Jade. Bye, guys.